Drones are pretty useful gadgets when it comes to recording some professional videos from such angles that we can't reach easily. Depending on the features and controls, drones are available in a wide price range. If you are on a budget and are looking for best drones under $200, then this list is just for you. Are you looking for the best drones under $200? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Holystone GPS Drone. Holystone has been manufacturing innovative drones since 2014 with professional features and advanced technologies. The brand has a wide range of drones that suit the flying style of beginners, intermediate, and advanced level users. Holystone's GPS drone is powered by two modular batteries that give you a flight time of 26 minutes. Using the remote control, you can control the drone up to a range of 984 feet to explore more of your surroundings. Also, the drone has an FPV range of 492 feet. When it comes to the features, you will get all the standard flying modes that you can expect in a professional drone. It is equipped with follow me mode, auto return mode, altitude control system, and one key operation. There is also a custom flight path feature using which you can preset the flight path of the drone and just enjoy the view when the drone is flying automatically. The drone features a 1080p camera so that you can enjoy the aerial view and capture photos and record videos with great detailing. You can also take selfies and record your smile and save it on your phone directly. Number 2. Syma X500 4K Drone. Syma has been manufacturing high-quality radio-controlled drones and quadcopters. The brand develops drones with advanced and easy-to-use features to make the flight experience safe for kids of all ages. The reason that Syma's X500 drone makes it to our list is because it offers a flight time of up to 40 minutes, the longest on our list. It also offers you a range of 10,000 feet that is pretty long. Besides, the drone comes with all the flying modes including altitude mode, headless mode, one key takeoff land functions for easy operation, and maneuverability. On top of this, the drone also has follow me, GPS auto return, and object trace and custom path features. With these features, the drone will automatically return to your location or follow you so that you don't have to worry about it getting lost. The drone is equipped with a 4K UHD camera to shoot images and take videos in higher resolution. The camera has a 120-degree field of view and a 90-degree vertical gimbal movement. This allows you to take aerial shots and videos from a wider perspective. You can use hand gestures to control the drone and operate the camera under 300 inches. There is also an intelligent optical flow positioning system that allows you to observe the ground situation in real time. Number 3. VISUO XS816 Drone. There are plenty of drone options under the $200 price mark, but it is rare to find a drone that is capable of 4K video recording, and VISUO XS816 drone does it pretty well. Even if it is available for a fairly affordable price, the features it has are almost premium that makes it too easy to control and fly. The 4K video recording from its 0.3 MP dual cameras with 50x zoom and high-quality transmission over Wi-Fi are good enough reasons to call it the best one for video recording purposes. However, it has plenty of other features that will amaze you, such as gesture control, intelligent follow, one key return, and some tricks like 3D roll, flips, rotations, and much more. According to your skill level and experience with the drone, you can select between 3 different speed modes and enjoy flying the drone for almost 20 minutes on a single charge. Apart from that, the altitude hold and 6-axis flight control system stabilizes the drone in the air to capture steady videos and images. Number 4. Simrex X900 Drone. Simrex is a toy brand that manufactures drones, RC cars, and their relevant components. The brand designs its product with compact and easy-to-use features. This is one of the most heavily feature-packed drones on our list. The drone has 3 speed modes to suit beginners and experts. You get the standard headless mode for maneuvering the drone without worrying about the direction it is facing. The drone does 360-degree flips and rolls that make the flight time even more fun and exciting. There are also one key takeoff landing and one key return buttons for ease of use and safety. You can control this drone using 3 different methods: SmartUp, transmitter control with built-in gravity sensor, and transmitter control with joystick. It has a flight time of 15 minutes and a transmission range of up to 120 Meters.The drone uses a FHD 1080p camera for clear images and video footage. The 110-degree wide angle allows you to view a broad landscape. Besides, you can connect the camera to VR glasses for a surreal flight experience. The drone features a foldable design with a dimension of 130 x 90 x 45 mm for compact storage and handling.